Welcome back. Okay, so what I'm going to show you guys now is the stand, or my stand. You can do your stand the way you want, but you will be getting the acrylic, or I think it's polycarbonate possibly, but it's very, very strong plastic, clear parts. These ones. Okay. You find there are two, one is smaller, one is larger. So the large one's for the rear end. I'll show you now where they clip in, but part of the stand is the emblem, which you can paint up. It's already white, so you can paint it black and then somehow mask off the white. Goes in the front over here, you can go in the center or the rear, it's up to you. I'll put mine in front. And then what I had my neighbor, he's a woodworker. He cut up a piece of nice wood that I got. And then you see there, it's like a T section in the bottom of these plastic parts, and he drilled and CNC'd somehow a groove that slides straight in, no glue needed, and it's very, very stable. As you can see, the model won't fall off. Okay, so that's what I did. You can do whatever you want in the bottom here. You don't have to do what I've done. You can drill a hole through the bottom, put a mount on the inside if you want to, like a lot of guys do. I like this. I want to put it on my table, the model. Okay, so where it fits, okay, I think it's 32 centimeters exactly, if I'm not mistaken, between the gaps, but the areas where you want to, where it goes on, so you can measure the space between the two. I'll put it in the manual, and then make your gap the same, else it's not going to work. Okay, so it's made to fit in. I'm going to hold this model up and try and talk while I'm holding it. It's pretty heavy. Okay, so if you can see, I'll lower it as much as possible. This one goes just behind the circular section where the hole is. Now this hole was meant for the original stand, the front and rear one, but I thought it would be too flimsy, that's why I went for this. I drilled through to try and drill the head in. You can try it if you want. It didn't grip on the other side. But anyway, this front one goes right behind. You see there's a little groove over here on the side. So it goes in this area, right behind the circle. So you can use that for lighting. You can put a wire through. And then the rear one, this rear one, you will line it up, goes right behind the rear hole, which you can also use for lighting. It's also meant for a pipe at one stage. So it goes right behind it, so you can run cables into it if you want to. Okay, so as far as I know, the distance is 32 centimeters. I will confirm it on the manual. Let me try and get this sucker back, because it's not easy to hold up. Okay, oh, now I can relax my arm, man. Okay, my exercise for today is done. Okay, next video I will show you guys the rear detail and what you must do over there. Okay, thanks, cheers.